been good at. No, chasing ways to have it to myself just like I should, yeah. Controlling all my...
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to another video. And of course, as you saw in the intro there, you know what this video is about. It's about replacing the OLM lights that went out and taking the factory ones out and trying something different out. So of course, in the comments, you know, I saw, you know, some of the subscribers saying, hey man, I need to try and get on Amazon and get some lights. So that's exactly what I did. Went on Amazon and I got these. They from Fahren, and they're called Force Shear LED lights. So we're gonna go ahead and grab those guys, install them in the car, see if they work, see if they work out all right, and then see how long they last. So let me show you everything that came in the box. All right, so here we go, man. So these are H11 bulbs, and looking at them here, see we got a little fan that's at the back right here. So I'm wondering how loud that's gonna be, but it's not like you're gonna hear it anyway, because the car's gonna be on and you're gonna be inside the car, so you're not gonna hear it. But these fans are going to be there to cool off the cooler unit off. Now I think the one that OLM had, I think the whole little housing on the back part there was more like a I don't want to call it, it's more like a heat sink. So it didn't have any active fans on it, but this has an active fan, and then it has this little module at the end here. So we'll what I want to do first here is I'm gonna try and install this thing on the driver's side, because it seems like that'll be a little bit more easier to get to. Do the one on this side, man. I'm gonna have to take all of this stuff off. So before I do all of that, let me work on this on the side where the battery is. That'll be a little bit easier, and then we'll get this thing on there. But hold on, let me see what else comes in this bag right here. So let's see what else is in here. All right, we got an instruction pamphlet, and we got a few we got 4 zip ties, and then we have these little comes with an Allen wrench too, so I'm guessing that's to take something off on here. We have to make some adjustments to it possibly. Let me put this inside the box. And it's got these 2 little additional O-rings, so we may or may not need these, but we'll find out. And then it comes with these 2 double-sided little pads right here, and I'm guessing this is to mount this down so it's not flopping around. So let's go ahead and start digging into this thing, and let's see if these are going to work or not. Alright, so we got that guy out of there. So at this point we'll plug this in. Let's see if he comes on. He is on. Well, hold on. Let me turn it back on again. Yeah, you can see there, the fan is on, blowing cool air to it. If y'all can see that. All right. And I'll tell you this here, turning this on and the fan coming on, the fan is really quiet, dude. You can't even hear it. It got a little warm, but yeah. All right, so let's throw this in. See how she fits. It's definitely going to require you to push in and apply quite a bit of pressure to turn that thing, but it is a tight, snug fit. So I don't see it backing out. The real rubber grommet that's on there is doing pretty good. So let's see what it looks like in the house. There we go. Looking good. I like it. All right, so now at this point, all I got to do is find somewhere to mount this little back piece at, so that it's not just banging around on everything. So let me reach down in here, figure out where I'm gonna put this thing in it over here and tape it down, and then I'll show you guys where I put it at. All right, fam. All I did was I just put it right here on the side of this little battery thing. It makes it easy to get to if I do have to make any adjustments or go in there and touch anything. It gives me that much more cable space to be able to pull that out. So I put it right there from that. It's not a big deal. So I'm gonna put this back up, and then we're gonna jump in on the other side. I'll put y'all on another time left just so we can get to that whole thing.
The problem, no, my eyes make me sweet, but most people don't fuck with me. I don't make this easy for you. I don't make this easy for you. And now it's the time between you and I. Get out of your head, step into my life, be that easy for you. I could be that easy for you. And now it's the time between you and I.
All right, so fortunately this time, putting this one in, I didn't have to take off nothing but this cover and the air duct. So it still was difficult. It takes quite a bit of pressure. You got to push that thing in. It takes a little bit of effort to turn it, but it sits in there really, really snug. The fitment is great. It works. And unlike the other one, I just plugged it in, or maybe I just got lucky both times when I plugged it in, it just worked. I think the other one, you had to plug it in a certain way for the OLM. It has to be a certain, you got to switch out whatever which way it is. But I'm assuming this little module on here, this little resistor, it has something in there where it doesn't matter how you use it. It's going to automatically adjust for it. So what I'm going to do now, so I'm going to put the sticky tab on here, the double-sided tape thing on there, and I'm probably just going to tape it to the side of this here box down here at the bottom, just so it's right there, and it gives me a little bit more wiggle room to pull it out if I have to, because the cable will be right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then we'll take a look at how they both look. With the garage door down and flashing up against the door. So hold tight while I get this here locked in there, and we'll take a look at the outside. All right, here we go. This is with the garage door down. And then there we go. And they look pretty good. I like it. It's definitely improving from the stock, but all right, y'all, so there we go. They're in there, they're installed. Like I said, they do seem like they're a little bit brighter than the other ones, but we'll see. I thought about taking out driving with them on there, but I was like, nah, ain't gonna be no difference. It's not a difference that y'all are gonna be able to see anyway. I'll just do a review over them over a little bit of time. So let's see if these last longer than 3 months. So if they do, then of course I'll report back to y'all that these things are running fine and y'all should get them. And another good thing about these is that they're half the price of the God dog it, I'm just stuttering my words. What the hell? The heat is getting to me. But the OLM lights were like all together like $80, and these were $40. So they're pretty much half the price. So them being half the price, and they pretty good quality, and so they fit in there good. The fitment was perfect. They came on. Everything was good. So we'll see if they last longer than the OLM ones. Who knows? I probably got a messed up set, but I like the fact that there's active cooling on these. So there's an actual fan on there blowing them down to kind of cool them down. I'm thinking maybe that one on the passenger side overheated, made it burn out, and then that was the end of that light. It was dim after that. So we'll see how that plays out. Like I say, I'll link them in the description. So again, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and your boy will see you on the next video. Peace.